Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the last class, we know we have found the differentiation of inverse trigonometric function, which is sin inverse of x, and I have explained that how to differentiate sin inverse of x, and we have know the six formulas in inverse trigonometric function, derivatives of inverse trigonometric function for sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse of x, cot inverse of x, sec inverse of x, and cosec inverse of x. I have explained. So further we will go for how to find the differentiation of tan inverse of x. In the earlier class of in the first class of sin inverse trigonometric function, I have explained how to find the differentiation of tan inverse of x. Now take how to find the differentiation of the function inverse trigonometric function tan inverse of x. Okay. Now write down solution. Write what is given to you. V1 f of x is given to you as tan inverse of x. Okay. Let y is equal to tan inverse of x. Means I am taking f of x function as y. So name this one as equation 1. I want to take this tan inverse of x, which is on the right hand side of the equation, on left hand side. Then it will become inverse, means it will become tan of y is equal to x. How? See here we are having y is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay, means y is equal to tan inverse can be written as 1 by tan of tan inverse. Just I am taking tan. So tan inverse. Okay. So if we want to take this, it will become tan y. Okay, tan y of x. Tan y x. So name this one as equation 2. Now differentiating this with respect to x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x, we get tan y differentiation is sec square y. Sec square y into dy by dx. And one differentiation is 1. Sorry, x differentiation is 1. So this implies we want to find dy by dx here. That's why I am writing dy by dx separately. Then this sec square goes denominator of 1 divided by sec square of y. Okay. Further, sec square of y can be written as, we know one identity, sec square of x is 1 plus tan square of x. By using that identity, dy by dx equal to, we know that sec square of x equal to 1 plus tan inverse tan square of x. So I am using this identity here. It will become 1 plus tan square of y. Okay, but we had write tan y as x. Name this one as equation 3. For I am taking for x belongs to minus 1 and 1, the interval, x can be written as tan into tan inverse of x. It is equal to x. Means this minus, the power of tan, here it has plus 1 and it has minus 1. This plus minus get cancelled. What is remaining? X is remaining. Means I am writing x as tan into tan inverse of x. So here dy by dx equal to 1 divided by 1 plus tan inverse y can be written as, by using this, tan into tan inverse of x whole square. So we have tan y as x, and here in this we are taking x as tan into tan inverse of x. So you can name this one as equation 4, and by using equation 4 and 2 and 4, x is tan y is x. Suppose we are taking tan y as x, and x can be written as tan into tan. So by using 2 and 3, by using equation 2 and equation 4, this is okay. Now we can write dy by dx as equal to 1 divided by 1 plus tan into tan inverse into tan get cancelled. What is remaining? X. So x square divided by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. What is y here? Y is tan inverse. That means differentiation of tan x is tan inverse of x is, we got it as 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. Differentiation of tan is tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So in the first example, we saw how to differentiate sin inverse function, sin inverse of x. In the second, we derived the differentiation of tan inverse of x. Okay. Similarly, you can try for cot sine. We know how to find the differentiation of sine inverse. By using the same procedure, same method, we can find for cos inverse of x. Tan, we know how to find. Okay. By using this method, we can find cot inverse of x. In cot inverse, we will get here minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Further, we have sec inverse of x and cosec inverse of x. We can find by using the same method. Okay. Now we will see some example based on this formula. I will show you some examples. Write down. It is easy and interesting also. Just you should have to understand the method. Then you can find for all 6 trigonometric ratio, inverse trigonometric function. In example, we have to use the formula of inverse trigonometric function. Sin inverse of x we know, cos inverse of x we know. We have to apply that formula in example. Then we will get the result. Write down questions. Right. Find the derivative of take first as y is equal to sine inverse of 4x square. Sine inverse of 4x square. Okay. So what is given to you? We all know that differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x square. But here sine inverse of 4x square is given to you. Then how to find such type of differentiation? See. Write down solution. In solution, write first given. What is given to you? Given y is equal to sine inverse of 4x square. Now we have to differentiate y with respect to x. Y dash is sine inverse differentiation is 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x square. Okay. What is x? X is given to you as 4x square is given to you. 4 into x square. Okay. Now we have to find the differentiation. This one is for sine inverse. Now we are having the ratio as angle is sine inverse angle is 4x square. Means we have to again differentiate this term 4x square. 4 into differentiation of x square is 2x by using x raised to n formula. Okay. Now write down. This one is 4 2s are 8. 8x divided by whole divided by under root of 1 minus. Here we are in 4x square. 4 square is 4 4s are 16. 16 into 16 into x square to the power square. That means 2 plus 2, 4. X raised to 4. So we have finally differentiation of this one is 8x divided by under root of 1 minus 16x to the power 4. Okay, means we are having sin inverse of x. First consider this sum as x, then apply for sin inverse x formula. Then go for the term for x differentiation. Then we will get the answer. Now write down another example, which is second of this is y is equal to sin inverse of x whole to the power 4. In the earlier sin inverse is separately it is given and 4x to the power square is given to you. Here this term is, consider this term is x. X to the power is given to you 4. Okay. Now write solution for this. Solution given y is equal to sin inverse of x to the power 4. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, then it is will become y dash. Y dash is, consider this term x raised to x sin inverse of x as one term x. X, suppose this given function is y is equal to x raised to 4. Now we have to find the differentiation of x raised to the power 4. It is 4 into x raised to 3 minus 4 minus 1. That means 4 into x raised to 3. Okay. So suppose this one as sin inverse of x as raised. So one term as x raised to 4. So here applying 4 into sin inverse of x raised to 4 minus 1 into, now we have to differentiate sin inverse of x. We all know that the difference sin inverse differentiation is sin inverse of x is 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, write 4 into sin inverse of x raised to 4 minus 1 is 3 whole divided by, write this equal sign, under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, it is y dash. So don't get confused here. Separately sin inverse is given and 4x square is given. Both are separated, but it is 4, the power 4 is given to sin inverse of x. So first consider this term as one term. Now differentiate x power as x raised to n formula by using n into x raised to n minus 1. Then we have to go further we have to go for differentiation of sin inverse of x. Sin inverse of x differentiation is 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x. Then multiply, we will get 4 into sin inverse of x raised to the power 3 whole divided by 1 minus x square. Okay. Now write down another example. 1, 2. Y is equal to, y is given to you as e raised to power x tan inverse of x. E raised to x tan inverse of x. Earlier we have just inverse trigonometric function. Here we have two functions. One is exponential, another one is inverse trigonometric function. Now write down solution. Given y is equal to e raised to power x into tan inverse of x. Now suppose this one is first function u and this one is v. We have to apply, here we are having two terms. We have to find the differentiation of two terms which are in multiplication. Means we have to apply product rule. What is product rule? I will write down here. In your first column you can write product rule. Suppose we are having two functions. means we are having differentiation of u and v. It is equal to first term keep as it is, differentiation of second plus second term keep as it is, differentiation of first. It is the product rule. Means now we have to find y dash is the differentiation of y is first term keep as it is, differentiation of second, tan inverse of x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square plus keep second term as it is, tan inverse of x differentiation is tan inverse of x is as it is, e raised to x is differentiation is e raised to x only is equal to e raised to x by 1 plus x square plus I am taking first exponential term e raised to x into tan inverse of x y dash. So this one is y. Don't get confused. I am taking u and v for just for your understanding to apply product rule. We have to take first term e raised to x, then second term tan inverse of x for solution. Okay. So it is very simple. If you know the differentiation formula for most trigonometric function, then you can be able to solve this example. Take another example. Take fourth one. This one is third. This one is fourth example. Y is given to you as cosec inverse of e raised to x. Y is given to you as cosec inverse of e raised to x. Inverse of e raised to x. This one is e raised to x. Write down solution. Given what is given to you, write first. Y is given as cosec inverse of e raised to x. Means cosec inverse is here inverse trigonometric function. E raised to x is angle of the given inverse trigonometric function. Same. Here we are having e raised to x as separate one term and tan inverse of x as another one term. Multiplication of two functions. Here we are having the exponential function along with inverse trigonometric function, which is the angle of given function. Okay. Now how to find the differentiation of this function? See here. Differentiation of y is y dash is equal to 1 by minus of, because for cosec inverse we have to take minus of e raised to x. We know that. What is the formula for cosec inverse differentiation? Write first formula in the rough column, then it is easy to solve. Cosec inverse of x is equal to minus of 1 by mod of x into root of x square minus 1. It is the formula for cosec inverse x differentiation. So apply this formula here. Y dash equal to minus of e raised to x. X is given to you as e raised to x. So e raised to x into e raised to x square minus 1. Okay. Mod is for negative term. Here we can use, if positive term is given, we can directly write e raised to x. Okay. Or mod is formula, we can write e raised to x simply. So into e raised to x differentiation is e raised to. Now see here, these e raised to x get cancelled. What is remaining? Y dash is equal to minus of e raised to the power x, but e raised to power x and bracket, then it raised to the power 2. We can write e raised to 2x. Multiplication of these two, 2 into x is 2. minus 1 is differentiation of cosec inverse of e raised to x. Okay, that means it's very easy and interesting also. If you understand the basic formula for inverse trigonometric function, derivative of inverse trigonometric function, and how to remember, I will show you in the previous class how to remember this formula, one simple trick also. And if you write the formula, then it is easy for you to solve in examples and to remember the formula. How to remember the formula means try to understand how we got the formula. Then it is easy for you to understand the formula, to learn the formula. Don't be confused. You will not get confused if you understand how the formula comes. Okay, how we got the formula. Then we have to apply that formula in example. Okay, it's very simple and interesting also. Okay, with this I will stop. I will continue in the next class. Thank you. And I want to say you, if you have any doubt regarding to this class, you can ask me. And you have another examples, another question apart from this, you can ask me. I will show you the solution. Okay, thank you.